My name is Segawa Steven. I'm a student here at Mwerere Community Vocational Training Center. I'm standing here. I'm going to talk about this engine and its components and how it works. This is a petrol engine. This petrol engine, for it to operate, you should have a battery, a petrol. You should be with the starter motor, even distributor and a carburetor. For this engine uses carburetor to mix fuel in the combustion chamber. So I'm going to start with this one, this cylinder head top cover. This cylinder head top cover covers the upper parts like a locker arm, the inner parts like the locker arm, and those locker arm they are used to operate valves by the help of camshaft. So this is a cylinder head. This cylinder head it accommodates spark plugs, and it helps to form a combustion chamber during piston movement. Then this one, it is called cylinder block. It accommodates the piston and helps. And this is cylinder block accommodates the piston movement and the crankshaft. Even we have here the starter motor or self. This self, when you start on the starting switch, this self will mesh with flywheel to crank the engine. That is its purpose. Then this one is called a distributor. This is called a distributor, and its function is to distribute electricity to each of the spark plug according to engine firing order when the engine is running. Then we have this one. This one is called a steering pump. Its purpose is to pressurize steering fluid or hydraulic to move in the steering system to lubricate the moving parts. Then this is called inlet. This one is combined. It combined the inlet manifold and the exhaust manifold. The purpose of inlet manifold is to allow the mixture of air and petrol to enter the cylinder. Then this exhaust manifold allow the burnt gases to move out during exhaust stroke. Then this is called a carburetor. This carburetor is mounted on inlet manifold. Its purpose is to mix air and petrol. Then after mixing air and fuel, that mixture is delivered to inlet manifold. Then when enters this inlet manifold, the cylinder which is responsible to receive that mixture according to engine firing order, the inlet valve will open. That mixture will enter the cylinder. So we have this one. This one is called a cooling fan. This cooling fan is used to cool down the coolant which come from the engine water jackets to radiator. This one is called This one is where